Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to unblock your Metro Bank card. Let's jump right in. First things first, if your Metro Bank card is blocked, it could be due to a few reasons like entering the wrong PIN too many times or suspicious activity detected by the bank. Whatever the reason, don't worry, you can unblock your card easily. Step 1. Grab your phone. The quickest way is to call Metro Bank's customer service. The number is usually found on their website or on the back of your card. When you call, have your personal details handy for verification. Step 2. If calling isn't your thing, you can also unblock your card via the Metro Bank app. Just log in, navigate to the card settings, and look for the Unblock Card option. It's that easy. And finally, if you're near a branch, you can always walk in and speak to a member of their team who will help you out on the spot. Remember, it's super important to keep your card details secure and notify the bank of any unusual activity as soon as possible.